The first thing we're going to use today is Detox Clarifying Shampoo. It's important to clarify your hair because you want to get off all the buildup and dirt, sweat that's been building up on your hair since the last time you washed your hair, which can be from 5 to 7 days or 7 to 10 days. If your hair just isn't cooperating the way that it normally does, so for instance, if you're going to style and your product normally seeps into your hair but it's kind of sitting on top, if you've been working out a lot, if you've been out in the sun, if you've been on the beach, in the pool, all those things mean that you need to detox your hair. After rinsing out the shampoo, we are going to go in with Indulge, our moisturizing deep conditioner. It's important to follow up with the conditioner after shampooing because you want to go back in and seal that cuticle back up with some moisture because it's all exposed now with the shampoo. So you want to go back in and add that moisture in and start to lock in that water. So right after rinsing out the conditioner, we're gonna go in with our Lavish leave-in conditioner. And with Lavish, you only wanna use 1 to 2 pumps. And rub that into your hands really well. And you're gonna apply it all the way throughout your hair. And you do not want this product to sit on top. So if you have lower porosity, it's just gonna take some more time for it to absorb, but it will absorb. But you wanna rub it all the way through. Our model has like medium to low porosity because if you look at the two sides, like this is me after I've rubbed it in a little bit, and then this is just the product sitting without being touched. So it's not like super visible, but it's there. Sectioning really is like a personal preference, so we'll start with the smaller section, and then we are gonna go in and spray water on this section and get this section nice and wet. We're gonna go in next with our SCULPT, our gel, and we're gonna emulsify that in our hands and apply it right to that section. I'm gonna smooth it in really well, and then like that. So the importance of water when doing a wash and go is for hydration. This is what's going to help your wash and go last longer. And what the gel is doing is locking in that water. And so over time, the water will evaporate. And unfortunately, that's where our hair starts to frizz and lose definition. But initially starting with that water, you can get a couple days out of your wash and go. So when we're talking about porosity and if we need more or less product, it's not a matter if we need more or less product, it's working that product in. So if you do have lower porosity and the product tends to sit on top of your hair, you're just gonna have to take some more time to work that product in and see what results it gives you and how you like it while it's wet. And then if you're not liking it, it's still frizzy, then you can add more product. The only time I add or take away product is based off the density of the hair. So if you have more dense hair, then you may need more product, but if your hair is finer and less dense, then you wouldn't need as much product as I would use.